If you are a highly sensitive person and you are not doing this that I'm going to share with you in this video today, then you need to watch this video. Do not hit stop. Do not hit pause. Watch this, because if you're an HSP, I want you to be doing this every single morning. What I have found is that so many of my one-on-one clients, my group coaching, my Reiki clients, all my clients tend to forget this one thing. So keep watching. Hi, y'all. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reddy, and I'm your highly sensitive person coach and Reiki practitioner, and I am grateful that you are here. This is a channel where we get real about how it feels to be a highly sensitive person. We have a talk about, let's pull up a chair, let's have a convo about how it feels to be an HSP, and we embrace our sensitivities as a gift because they are. So let's dive into today's topic. What you should be doing before you walk out the door as a highly sensitive person. This is critical, y'all. So many people miss this as an HSP, and I'm not sure why. There is grounding and energy protection that is needed as a highly sensitive person. And I'm not saying that, this is the thing you always need to do, but as you are starting to learn who you are as an HSP, you know what, I'm gonna take that back. I always do this. I see this all the time in places that you don't need to protect yourself and you don't need to do this as an HSP and empath, and it's all about having to protect yourself. You know what? Yes, I do this every single day. Even as a very grounded HSP and empath, I still do this practice every single day. It is very simple. And this is a practice I want you to start doing before you walk out your door in the morning. You can do it while you're brushing your teeth. You can do it while you are getting dressed. I don't care. It doesn't matter where you do it. I like to do it right after my meditation, but it does not matter. It is so simple, but it is an energy protection technique that can help you throughout the day. And I'm not going to say it's going to stop everything from entering your bubble, but it is going to help you and do a safeguard. It's kind of like a safeguard for your emotional energy. So this is what I want you to do. It's as easy as this. Like I said, you can do it while you're brushing your teeth. You can sit there while you're brushing your teeth, maybe put a little sticky note that says energy protection and do that. So as a reminder, because it's going to be a new habit that you're going to have to create. And when you build a new habit, it's great to stack it upon something that you already do, which is called habit stacking. So that's why I said, do it while you're brushing your teeth. This is all you have to do. While you're sitting there brushing your teeth or getting dressed or whatever, just close your eyes for a minute, and I want you to imagine a bright white light. It could be white, it could be purple, whatever color resonates with you, okay? And I want you to imagine coming through your crown chakra, going all the way down past your feet into Mother Earth. That's it. And as you imagine this white light coming in and all the way through your body, it's soothing your body. It's making your body feel peaceful. It's making your body feel protected. And then what I want you to do from that point on is I want you to imagine pushing that white light out with kind of your arms, like if you would go arm length or distance or whatever you want to call it, and you push it out. So you have a bubble around you. And I've talked about this before, but I didn't do one whole video on it. And I think of it just as a protective bubble around you, that protects from all your head all the way to your feet. You've got this bubble of white light around you. And then all I want you to do is simply say, whatever is not of my highest good, love, compassion for my life, it does not belong in my bubble. You can say something else. You can, whatever, it doesn't matter what you say, as long as it's whatever is not for my highest good does not allow, is not allowed to come into my bubble. It has to be aligned of something along those lines. But you can make up your own words, whatever feels aligned and good to you. So it's as simple as that. White light through your crown chakra, push it out. You got a bubble around you. It's a protective bubble around you. That's a protective light energy that's keeping you protected from emotional energy that you pick up throughout the day. And then you just say, whatever is not of my highest good is not allowed in. That's it. So I'm not saying it's going to stop everything, but it is a great grounding practice. It is a great energy protection practice for you to start your day off immediately with protecting yourself. I will say, when I do this, I feel a massive difference. If I forget to do it, I feel a massive difference in my day because I already feel like I have this bubble around me. So you've heard people maybe even talk about putting kind of a cloak on. So it's the same thing, but it is a way to protect yourself and ensure that you are keeping things that are not of the highest good out of your system. Because as an HSP, you are constantly picking up energy. You are a high vibrational frequency being, and you're bringing on all this energy all the time. So this one simple practice can quite literally start to transform your day. Because if you're going into a high stress environment and you're open as can be, this gives you a little bit of protection against those emotional energies that you are taking on throughout the day. So if you like this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I am going to do another video where I'm going to talk about some grounding techniques, things that you can do in the evening as well to kind of wash away the energy that you pick up. So this is going to be a little bit more like a series of videos that I'm going to do. So again, I would greatly appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. New videos drop every Thursday. I'm also going to drop a couple different meditations, and please tell me if in the comments, is there something else that you would like me to cover, like a higher self meditation, a protection meditation, whatever, let me know. And tell me in the comments, did you do this? Did it help? Because I'm going to tell you, every client that I work with says it helps them. And I know because it has helped me too. So tell me, let me know. Sending y'all so much light, love, and beautiful energy. Have a great day, y'all.